This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, enable USB debugging and verify a DB devices shows your phone. Once connected, boot to recovery or bootloader and create an Android backup to avoid data loss. Make /system writable so you can pull the existing system UI. App to your PC for inspection. You're extracting the original so you can compare versions and avoid mismatched frameworks. Once done, review Logcat quickly for system UI crashes to confirm the UI problem source before proceeding to replace or rebuild the APK. Now you replace the broken component. Remount /system as read-write and push the corrected system UI. App back to /system /privapp/system UI / with a DB push. Make sure you set ownership root and permission 0644 using chown and chmod so Android accepts it. Once copied, clear the app data and cache for system UI, then run pm install r replace or reboot into recovery to fix file contexts. This preserves signatures and frameworks. If your device uses vendor partitions, move the APK into the vendor path and finish up by wiping the dalvik /art cache in recovery or delete /data /dalvik cache so the runtime rebuilds optimized code for the new APK. Reboot to system and monitor Logcat to confirm system UI starts cleanly. If you hit a boot loop, immediately restore your Nandroid backup or boot into sideload /recovery to revert the APK. Make sure framework res and system UI versions match. Mismatched resource versions are the usual culprit. If they don't match, swap both files or flash the correct ROM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.